Hi, in this video we are going to see what are logical operator in detail in C# language. So first of all we will go create a project using mkdir and we'll go to the directory and create a .NET console application. So our console app was created successfully. So we'll go to our Visual Studio and open this. So in this video we are going to make a program where we have three variables, age and has license and has car, which represents a person's age, whether they have a driver's license and whether they own a car. We use all these three logical operators. As we know, we have three logical operators, and, or and not. So we will use all three logical operators in three different if statements. So the first if statement uses the AND operator to check whether the person is at least 18-year-old and has a driver's license. If both conditions are true, the program outputs a message saying that the person can legally drive a car. And the second if state uses the OR operator to check whether the person has either a car or a driver's license. If either condition is true, the program outputs a message saying that a person can drive a car, right? And similarly for the not. So we'll create. So first of all, we will import the system package and then a class. Then the main function. Now we will create three variables. So create the variables int a and then has license, has car. This will be of the boolean data type because we want to store the only false value in these variables. So we will next we will ask the user for their age console, right? We will use number giving operator also here. So next we will enter all the if statements. So if age of user is greater than 18 and has license you can try. Next if statement, if user has car or has license, so we will print you can drive a car either if you have a car or a license, right? You can drive a car either if you have a car or a license. Next we write a if statement that if user have not a car, so if user do not have a car, so we will print that can't drive without a car. Also we can ask the user to enter these values also. Do you have a license? And then ask the user if they have a car, console.writeLine. So here we need to write this semicolon. Alright, so we will go to our terminal and run this program. To run this program, we need to use .NET run command. Enter. So this one is asking for the age. So let us suppose I have age 20. Yes. Oh, wait. We need to handle this exception. So we can write here, you can enter true or false. Similarly here also, you can enter true or false. Now we'll go to terminal. .NET run. So maybe there is a glitch in my terminal. So I will enter the value. What is your age? You can enter true or false. True. Do you have a car? Yes. So it's printing you can drive. You can drive a car either if you have a car or a license, which is executing two if statements, ignoring the last if statement. Okay. Thank you.